All right, so come around.
All around.
Hey, Michelle.
Well, welcome everyone. Thank you for devoting a beautiful afternoon like this to learn about alternative transportation and the most efficient human transportation on earth, really. My name is Gabor, and this workshop is put on by Transition Town group called Transition Amherst that aims to create a more sustainable Amherst and more resilient community in Amherst. We have been working on it for about 2 years, and it's a lot of fun. And we offer now workshops like this every month, and we will do canning and food preparation and storage for winter and all that kind of stuff, and other interesting things that I don't even know yet. And we also have movies, and the upcoming movie is actually a co-project with it's bicycle related, co-project with the bicycle commuting week, and it will happen on the 16th.
Yeah, somewhere in there.
Yeah, it's a Tuesday, right? Maybe it's a 15th.
That's the 15th.
Yes.
Not sure. It'll be on our website, on our calendar.
Yes, we do have a website, and it's transitionamherst.org. And we have, we also are going to have walks, and you can read on that, about those on the website too, monthly walks to get to know our community better. So I thought that we could start with just going around, and everyone could say their name and what they want to get out of the workshop and anything really interesting about you, just in 1 or 2 minutes, and then we can get to work. So I said mine, I guess. I'm very passionate about bicycling, and I don't have a car, and I'm so happy about it. And it gives me a lot of money, so I'm able to set things up, and that whole place behind you is full of bicycles, which we will see at some point if you care. And I love doing things like that.
I'm Betsy Crow, and I'm part of the Transition Amherst group, and I am kind of a not really experienced bike person, and I definitely don't know much about how to take care of my bike and how to make it work well. And I brought the tandem bike today that we ride with our son, Ben, and I hope I'll learn something that will make me feel like I can take another step, because it's empowering when you learn something. But I need to hear it sometimes a couple times before it really sticks. So.
I'm Nick Grabe. I'm married to Betsy, and over the past 8 months I've done something that I've always wanted to do, and that was to organize my life so that I get around almost exclusively on a bicycle. And I've been a bicyclist for many decades, but I've never really known much about how the bikes operate and how to maintain them. I've always paid a professional to do it, and so I'm eager to learn how to do it myself.
My name is Dory Goldman, and I've been bicycling for years and years, and have worked as a bicycle mechanic for a little while, many years ago. And more recently I've started a bakery called Backyard Bakery, and I'm doing all of my pickups and deliveries and everything by bicycle, and I've been using this wonderful bamboo bicycle trailer that Gabor built, and I've actually been also moving house using that trailer with that bicycle.
Wow.
Yeah, I guess that's about all I have to say. I'm unfortunately I can't really stay around because I'm moving. I need to pack. But I just had to come here today and say hello. And
Hey, have you thought about organizing a bike move?
Yes, yeah, and that was also something that Gabor suggested that I do. But I'm so overwhelmed with things to do right now between the moving and the bakery and everything that I just haven't even been able to organize it. But so I've been just, every time I pack up a load, I load it on here, including big things, furniture and everything, and have been moving that way myself. And then tomorrow, a friend has a trailer on a car, and he's going to help me move some of the stuff that are just too big and heavy to fit on that.
Could you say your name again?
Dory.
Dory.
Goldman.
And Dory helped me.
Dory, excuse me, what kind of bakery, what do you bake? Like